I'm Jonathan at Percussion Welder, and today we're going to do samples weld schedule development with 17 gauge copper clad steel wire and 18 gauge stranded tin copper.
To start, we're going to have our actuator turned off, a delay of 1.5 milliseconds, and our weld voltage set at 75. Regular mode, long pulse, positive polarity, and 1 cap bank.
I'm going to try with 1 cap. And we didn't get enough there, so now we're going to try with 2 caps. And now we're going to try again with 3. And we got a nice ball on that, so we're going to move on to the actuator.